Nice, nice. Okay. All right. I can do this. I'm sorry, what now? Welcome to Matt Makes. Today, we take on Zaku. Zaku was the very first Gundam that I saw that I knew I had to build. I love everything about how he looks. And I know he's supposed to be disposable, but to me, he's a star. He was the second Gundam that I've ever seen, and he's the first real grade that I've ever worked on. The amount of additional detail as I move up from high grade to real grade is amazing. There are easily twice as many parts, very tiny parts, and I expect to spend a very long time happily building this guy. So, with that said, let's get him unboxed. I'm trying out a few new camera angles with this, and there are some continuity errors, so pretend like you don't see those. Unboxing Zaku, it's immediately clear that there's just so many more rails. There's also no stickers, but we do have in their place water decals. I've never used a water decal before. I know what to do with them. I'm looking forward to trying, but at the same time, new skill. Also new, there's an interior frame, and I believe all of Rail B will contribute towards that. Or the rail here has 3 different colors injection molded, which is just awesome. More skeleton here, at least I assume so. We'll find out how close I am to right. Overall, impressed with the level of detail, especially for things that I assume are going to be buried behind big green armor panels. And then speaking of big green armor panels, the next package contained 2 rails of this stuff. I was really impressed with the level of detail that I saw on these. For such a light color, it should allow panel lining to really show up, or weathering, or decals. I look forward to seeing what all I decide to do with this once I get it built. But I might be getting ahead of myself. I do have to get this built before I can weather it. The package had more skeleton and more armor paneling in it. The armor paneling on this one was smoother. I assume it's going to be shoulder pads and maybe thigh armor, but again, time will tell. And then there's this package. This package right here scared me off of doing Zaku before. See these dots? These dots need to be strung and then assembled individually. It's going to be an intensive thing, but I think that I'm up for the challenge. And then finally, springs. I don't know what the springs are for, but we're going to find out. And then the phone book, the directions. There's a lot of directions, but the print quality seems to be better than on the high grade. The directions are clearer, easier to follow, and I don't have to worry about missing stickers because there are no stickers. There are, though, decals, as you can see. Well, nothing left for it but to build Zaku. that's going to wrap day one. I know that we unboxed and began building, and I didn't get very far in the building, but in real time, this has been 4 days worth of work concentrated down for you, and it's time to rest my head and start planning for the next phase. Until next time, I'll see you later.